I would describe Curbio as a tool that enables realtors to get the job done. I'm able to solve multiple problems in one. My name is Skyler Lemons. I'm a 6th-generation entrepreneur, 2nd-generation real estate broker here in Chicago. My mom was a big influence on me entering the world of real estate. At the time, she was a single mom, and so she worked really hard. She always was able to provide the things that I needed. And so that definitely shaped me greatly. I had a client, and she wanted to sell her mother's home. She had an HVAC system that needed to be replaced. It was the dead winter, and you can't sell a home in Chicago without an HVAC system in the wintertime. We didn't know how we were gonna get this HVAC system in. She didn't have the capital, and Curbio literally was able to come in, fix it, and then she paid at closing. Since then, she's actually contacted me about other properties that she has to sell or to lease them. And so I think that every time that you help a client, it might not be a huge thing, but it was still a value add for her. A lot of times when we think of a service like Curbio, somebody might think, to do a bigger project. But for me, it was the convenience of it. They come in, they see what's needed, and then they facilitate the entire process, making it easier for me as the realtor, but also for my client. On a personal level, and as somebody who's building a real estate business, these are the type of experiences that I appreciate, because these are the type of experiences that stick with the client for a long time and get your name brought up when they know people who are looking to buy or sell. I think that's the next level experience. I think that not a ton of realtors are able to facilitate those type of renovations for clients, and definitely not in a seamless manner that Curbio empowers me to do so.